Hey loves, welcome back. I'm going to show you today my routine for restoring my curls. As you can see on my left side, like about right here, I have dead curls from heat damage. I've been doing this routine, you're going to see in a little bit, to get my curls. As you can see here on this side, my hair is really curly. And on this side, it's more wavy. It's this curly, but it's wavy. And I say I give it 2 months. In about 2 or 3 months, you guys are gonna see my hair like this, fully curly. The reason why my curls went away down here is because I used to always straighten my hair. And when I did leave my hair curly, all I did was wash my hair and put gel. That's all I did. So lately, I've been taking care of my hair. I've been using animal cruelty-free products, no bad chemicals, none of that stuff. And my hair is looking so healthy, like much better. It's a little bit frizzy, but it was worse, you guys. And my hair right here, it couldn't even get like this back then. Like, it was just. I'm also gonna put the products I use down in the description box so you guys can click it and check it out. So without further ado, let's get started. So I recently purchased the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Plus Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. This is what it looks like. I believe it's one of their brand new lines. And I've just been using it. It smells so good, by the way. Oh my gosh. I've just been using it just to hydrate the hair. I break it up in sections, and before I add, I also use the coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie by Shea Moisture. So I spray it with this first, just to hydrate it a little more, and then I go in with the coconut curling enhanced smoothie. And I also, after I use the coconut smoothie, I go in with the Deva Curl Ultra Defining Gel. And as you can see on this side, my ends are a bit straight on the bottom. I've been trying, these products, I've been using them to see if my curls can go back, but so far they just get wavy. I mean, I'm gonna end up cutting my ends anyway, the dead ends. I was just trying to see if I can miraculously make it curly, but I don't know. I don't think it's not. I mean, it's wavy, but maybe just some curl on the bottom. I've been using this for about like 2 weeks, and I love it. It smells like, oh my god, it smells like summer. Oh, love it. Oh, and I also at the end, after I style my hair, I go in, I spray my hair with this, the Kukui, I don't know, oil, anti-frizz hydrating oil. My hair is really frizzy, and it still is. I really don't know what product to use to help the frizz go away. If you guys know of any really good products that take away frizz, please comment down below and let me know so I can try it. So first I start with sectioning my hair. I put the rest on the top, but I'm gonna go in with the Shea Moisture Coconut Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So I just go through my hair like this until all the product is in my hair, until I feel like it's really moisturized. And as you can see, my hair just goes straight. But I just scrunch my hair and it gets wavy. used to always be like, ugh, I hate my hair, I can't stand it. I used to always straighten my hair. Now I'm slowly embracing it. I love my curls now. I'm gonna use the leave-in and the smoothie all over my hair. I'm gonna repeat throughout the entire hair. hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.